Did you just get your 7-color gauge set up and the gauge is not turning on even though it's being powered? Today's GlowShift Quick Tip will help you out. Power your gauge as you normally would to confirm that the gauge is not turning on. Disconnect the ground connection from the bolt. Sand and remove all the rust and paint from the grounding location. Connect the ground connection back to the bolt. Once the ground is connected, power the gauge again to ensure that it is turning on and functioning properly. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.